when I talk, so close your motherfucking mouth. You better ask Michael Watts or Ron Speed. When they wanna hit the flow, they don't get the cloud beat. Every track got a rap zone, it became a hit song, just like the nigga on Viagra. Slipped up, home. To the point that no, not don't postpone. The microphone, I can't be thrown. I sit on his home, I'm on the throne. Cause I make kids hate it because I take chicks. Make them suck dick and run the most. If you hate me, you can grab my dick and suck it. Get body or dick you bucket. Ain't no love until I'm down. It's G's up, hoes down. I used to blow in those joints, now I blow up. I was gonna shine, just give me some time and I'm gonna get mine. I was gonna find every time I pop eyes on my behind. My rolling wine, I'm from the bottom up to the top. Ain't shit gon' drop, but the top my face stop. I'm the boss house, you better read my piece. I make the rules in these streets. Fucking police, competition is gone. Slim Thug is number one, cause I ain't making niggas my age out here having this. I'm up until I go up. Every time I show up, I think watch life. Watch up in the dark and you go come. Listen outside for life as long as Slim Thug rhyme. I'ma stay putting it down for the top of my time. The side that ride goes, ice up in the cones, brakes, all the phones, extra rings, cones, and ice. Bird clothes when it's time to step by. My side shine like balls when we hit off the back. I'm in my drop, drop pop with the beat chop. Screens falling 615. I'm knocking. If you ever see Slim Thug, you gon' see me bow. I'm the one that beat down the block and knock bitches out. I'm real nigga that fuck nothing but real niggas. Niggas about they niggas. Pockets bigger. Every nigga I ride with, need Rolex time. And every nigga I ride with, down the sleep on time. Outside for life, baby. Still motherfucking thug. Kick it. We're back. This time we go to late night with the roof back. See? Can you remember them days, Bubba? Can you remember them CB? Look, can y'all remember how we used to do it way back? But way back a long time ago, nigga had dreams of coming on the scene, clean, PSDB, we was on the hustle, need to make a muscle, had a couple of tussles. A couple of niggas, jealous of who? The motherfucking crew, we still coming through. Motherfucking 3 is all CB. Motherfucking 4 is you and me and CB coming down with.
Yo, MC Quakes, MC Shakes, Bagel King, Records. Yo, Icona, your mom. Listen, why the car goes? I've got a water gun. Sprayed it at your girl's leg. She's slim like a peg, but I'm not interested. She said, look at your head. You can never be bad. You can never be bad. I told her breath stinks. You need breath mints. I like me. I told her I'm not in a hurry. Look what happened to Barai and Sandra. She left him because he couldn't buy her the back. I'm finished. Let's go eat some spinach. Ho! Listen, you need to know the